How's it going, folks? Amar here. Welcome to Craft and Canvas Studio. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about step-by-step portrait creation process. So let's get started. So let's get started with our portrait process. As you can see, I'm using my 2B pencil and I'm doing shading on my portrait. And for shading, I'm using hatching method. Now I'm smudging extra graphite with the help of cotton bud. So for hatching method, as you can see, we have to use overhand grip and we have to just use our shoulder to cover maximum area on paper. Now I'm using charcoal pencil to sketch my darkest areas. Now I'm using compressed charcoal to give darkest values in my portrait. Here I am using cotton bud to do the smudging. Now I am using Tombow mono eraser to give extra details. Now my blocking in face has been completed. I'll go for modeling and putting some detail on this face. I'm using Tombow mono eraser to put crisp hair details. I've started the blocking in process for the face on the right side. started putting the details. Putting basic block-in on close. I always save my tonal best for the last, so I'm using my charcoal pencil to put extra highlight on the bright areas. So this brings ends to our video. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe us. And if you enjoyed the video, please leave a thumbs up. Craft and Canvas loves you.